What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. This is Masolite Visual. We bring back another video requested by a lot of you guys. We've been posting 360 video images on our social pages, and people have been asking us, how do you do that, man? How do you do that? I like this, man. Give a different experience. So this just will be a quick tip of how to create panorama renderings in Lumion, and then just to create a 360 panorama, and that's it. But first things first, let me show you another quick tip of saving render effects from a previous project, then importing them to another project. You see that tip? That we're all about efficiency, man. And what you do is, the project that you're currently working on, you can save those effects and then go apply them onto another project, and then every project you're working on, save the effects and then export them, have them saved somewhere on your computer, so that you don't have to apply and track the effects every time. You just need to automate your project workflows. This is a simple workflow, guys, and it's gold for you if you're a busy businessman that want to automate your project workflow and project delivery. So you just save. That's how you save, and then you import to another project. You open, and that's just it. It's a tip, right? Yeah, let's move on to today's topic of creating 360 visual tours, creating a 360 panorama rendering in Lumion. So yeah, first things first, what you do is you go to that person icon below the movie mode, and below the movie mode and the photo mode. Yeah, the icon is a 360 panorama. What you do is you just as the way you create camera path in the movie mode or the camera mode, that's how you do it. You set your angles, you set your height, and then that's how your 360 is gonna revolve. Like you set sort of, you get what I'm trying to say, man. You just take a photo, but the photo will be a 360. The photo will be a 360, and then this panorama can be shared both as an image file as well as hosted on Lumion website for viewing by others if you're using my Lumion website. So then you load those effects that I've been telling you about in the previous 2-3 minutes. What you do is, say the same way you apply effects, you just tap into it and then you load them into your project. Let's say you love this effect, right? So you want to use it as sort of a signature for your project. So after you take a photo, and then you go to Panorama, Custom Styles, and then you load your effects at the top there, and then load. And then that's it. You render. The render can take probably, depending on the effects and the reflections you've put, can take an hour, 2 hours, depending, man. And then you can share this image to your client, because now the apps like the Androids, and the technology is booming, man. So 360 apps are there already in the Androids, and then you give your client a visual experience of that project using their phones, and that's all. That in itself is a new delivering project, man. Imagine a client viewing his project with a phone before being constructed, and you can master Lumion and produce high quality renderings. Imagine, man. And then we have this VR gears, Google Daydream, the Cardboard, Oculus Quest. Let's say you are using your technological office, you need to be geared up with all this technological VR things, man. And that's just another way of delivering projects. Rendering panoramas, 360 visual tours are the new thing, and you guys should tap into it if at all you're into, you know, renderings, if you're into architecture visualization, if at all you're into design. You know, you need to present your design in a unique way and differently. That's how you separate yourself from the current game, from the current practices. And this is the new thing. You need to tap into it. So 360s, this is how you create a 360. You can use Android apps, and then this one I was using Mazana Piano, I think, on Mazipano tool. It's another way of browsing your project before you can send it to your client. This Mazipano thing, what you do is you just open, it's a Google thing, and then you load your VR, the VR that you just rendered, and then you just browse it through and say, this is a way of analyzing your project, a new way of analyzing design. And then for clients, I think they'll understand this better than 2D works. And I think that's the VR is the way, guys. Visual reality is the way. Clients will they'll give you approval fast, better communications between you and client. And yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for today, guys. I hope you guys loved the video, and if you're new here, please subscribe, and if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. And yeah, let's hear what you think about VR, guys, in the comments. Have you used VR before? Do you want to tap into it? What other VR gear do you use? Do you use Oculus Quest, Google Daydream, Cardboard? Let's have a discussion in the comments, guys. And like always, if you have any suggestions, or if you want us to elaborate somewhere in our videos, just give us a topic you want us to tackle. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Yeah, see you in the next video. Bye for now.